Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Turtle Flatware is probably one of the most charming and whimsical additions you can make to your dining experience, bringing a touch of playful elegance to every meal. And if you're looking to elevate your table setting with unique and eye-catching pieces, then this might just be the perfect choice for you, offering a delightful blend of functionality and aesthetic appeal that's sure to impress your guests and bring a smile to your face. Number 5. Turtle Beach Battle Buds Gaming Headset. Communicate with your team clearly using the removable boom microphone. When you're on the move, the built-in inline mic is perfect for calls. Enjoy hours of gaming in total comfort. It comes with 3 sizes of ear tips and stabilizers to ensure the perfect fit for you. Manage your game with the multifunction inline controller. Adjust master volume, mute your microphone, and access other features with ease. Experience crisp highs and deep lows with the powerful 10mm speakers. They deliver an immersive sound for your games. This headset is designed for mobile gaming and works seamlessly with PlayStation, Xbox, and PC. Take your audio experience anywhere. Dominate your games with the Turtle Beach Battle Buds. Enjoy clear communication and comfortable wear, no matter the platform. What we like? Experience crystal clear communication with a detachable boom mic. If you're a gamer who needs to coordinate with your team or take calls on the go, this headset offers unparalleled clarity. Its lightweight design ensures comfort for long sessions. If you value clear communication and comfort across multiple gaming platforms, this is the headset for you. What people say. The mic quality here is excellent. It isn't studio quality, but I get good compliments in DayZ or Rust. The sound quality is good. You get decent directional audio, but not what you would get in a good over-the-ear setup. It is more than I need and I can tell where enemies are coming from along with gunshots. The bass is good, the highs are good, the mids are decent. These gaming earbuds are an excellent alternative to the typical gaming headphones that many people have been accustomed to. They're lightweight, have excellent sound, and a great mic. Number 4. SOJOS Retro Aviator Sunglasses SJ2202. Embrace a classic look with these retro aviator sunglasses. Their iconic design offers a timeless appeal for any fashion-forward individual. Featuring a trendy rectangle shape, these shades add a modern twist to your ensemble. They are designed to be both stylish and functional. Perfect for both women and men, these sunglasses offer a versatile fit. They are a fantastic accessory to elevate any outfit. Protect your eyes with confidence. These sunglasses provide excellent sun protection, ensuring comfort and clarity even on the brightest days. Crafted for durability and style, these sunglasses are built to last. They are the perfect blend of fashion and practicality for everyday wear. Discover the specific charm of model SJ2202. This particular pair embodies the brand's commitment to quality and trend-setting design. What we like? Embrace a timeless retro aviator look with these stylish shades. If you're seeking a classic yet trendy accessory that offers excellent UV protection, these are a fantastic choice. They are designed for both men and women. If you appreciate vintage aesthetics and need reliable sun protection, these sunglasses are perfect. What people say. They feature HD TAC polarized lenses. That technical spec means zero blinding glare when I'm driving or near water, which is a must for me. Forget just tinted plastic, this is superior clarity. And, critically, the UV 400 protection is guaranteed, blocking 100% of harmful rays, non-negotiable for eye health. I love that these are incredibly featherlight and stay securely on my nose without being too tight. They feature durable, flexible hinges, which just adds to that feeling of quality you don't expect at this price point. The flexible TR frame construction is not just lightweight, it's durable and bendable, making it less likely to break from a sudden shock compared to brittle plastic frames. The inclusion of high-quality, elastic flexible hinges further verifies the quality build, ensuring these shades are built to last, a true functional advantage at this price point. Number 3. FEISEDY Vintage Aviator Sunglasses B2622. Embrace a classic retro look with these vintage-inspired aviator sunglasses. Channeling the iconic style of the 70s, they offer a timeless appeal. These sunglasses aren't just about style, they provide essential protection. With UV 400 lenses, your eyes are shielded from harmful rays. Featuring a versatile square aviator design, they are crafted for both women and men. Enjoy a comfortable and stylish fit, no matter your face shape. Built with a durable frame and high-quality lenses, these sunglasses are made to last. Experience the perfect blend of retro aesthetics and modern functionality. Elevate any outfit with these stylish and practical sunglasses. They are the ideal accessory for sunny days, adding a touch of vintage flair to your everyday look. What we like? Step out in vintage-inspired style with these classic flat Aviator sunglasses. If you love a 70s aesthetic and want to protect your eyes from harmful UV rays, these are an excellent pick. They offer a stylish look for both men and women. If you're looking for a fashionable accessory with robust UV protection, consider these. What people say. Good fit for my face, they stay in place. Good sun block when on the go. Cute fit and stylish. Does not look cheap. Lightweight with good polarization. Number 2. Manfei Sea Turtle Full-Size Sheet Set. Transform your bedroom into an enchanting underwater world with our sea turtle-themed sheet set. It's the perfect way to bring the magic of the ocean to your sleep space. Experience exceptional softness and lasting quality thanks to our innovative microfiber process. Even after many washes, these sheets remain smooth, soft, and vibrant. Our deep pocket fitted sheet makes dressing your mattress a breeze. It ensures a snug and convenient fit, no matter your mattress depth. Choose from a variety of popular digital print patterns that complement any home decor. These beautiful designs are perfect for bedrooms, guest rooms, and kids' rooms. Designed for ultimate comfort, our unique 3D print patterns create a tranquil atmosphere. Wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated after a peaceful night's sleep. This 4-piece full-size set includes everything you need: a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. It's ideal for kids, boys, and girls alike. What we like? Dive into a serene ocean world with this charming sea turtle-themed bed sheet set. If you love aquatic themes and want a soft, comfortable bedding experience, this set is ideal. It features a deep pocket fitted sheet for easy mattress coverage. If you're looking to bring a touch of the ocean into a kid's room or your own, this set is a wonderful choice. What people say. The bold print really makes the bed pop and ties the whole space together. It has already been through the washing machine 3 times, and it's held up beautifully, no fading, no unraveling, and it comes out looking fresh every time. The sheets are meticulously sewn with special detail to seams and pattern symmetry. The phases of the moon line up perfectly and the whole pattern can be seen on the bed. Number 1. Liberty Tabletop Old Harbor 65 PC Stainless Steel Set. Introducing the Old Harbor 65-piece set, designed to serve 12. This exquisite collection is proudly made in the USA. Crafted from the finest 1810 stainless steel, this collection ensures exceptional durability and a lasting shine. We exclusively use the highest quality materials, all responsibly sourced domestically. Experience true American craftsmanship. Every piece is manufactured in Sherrill, New York, making us the only flatware manufacturer in the USA. We stand behind our quality with confidence. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive 25-year manufacturer's warranty, ensuring a high-quality product for years to come. Effortless cleaning is guaranteed as this flatware is completely dishwasher safe. Thanks to the premium 1810 stainless steel, it will never rust. This extensive 65-piece set includes everything you need for elegant dining. It features 12 of each: dinner forks, dinner knives, plate spoons, teaspoons, and salad forks, along with serving essentials like a serving spoon, slotted spoon, butter knife, sugar spoon, and cold meat fork. What we like? Invest in superior quality with this 100% made in USA flatware set. If you value domestic craftsmanship and durable materials like 1810 stainless steel, this set is for you. It comes with a 25-year manufacturer's warranty, ensuring long-lasting use. If you're setting up a new home or upgrading your dining essentials and want the best quality, this set is an excellent choice. What people say. Each piece has a nice weight distribution and are easy to hold and use. We received your flatware. We're very happy with weight and quality. These are high-quality utensils. I love that it is American-made and played a big role in me purchasing this brand over others. Besides being American-made, the quality is great, the craftsmanship is beautiful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.